Fancy. A new door. New to our viewers. I've been out it many times. Rex has been out it many times, but you've never seen him come out it. And he will take off. It's a different view of Fallon's Pond right down there. And it's beautiful. Whoops, it was almost like being disconnected on your cell phone. I was talking and somehow I stopped my recording. That's not happened before, not on purpose anyway. Anyhow, that's Bass River, and there are some altocumulus clouds up in the sky, and those should evaporate during the day, almost as if that magical disappearing warm front is almost over us right now. Looks like they're drifting towards the west, so it is a bit of an ocean flow. So here now, this road was just a dirt lot when I was growing up. We used to play ball here and ride our mini bikes, and there were piles of dirt. It was so fun, and this was all just woods. Well, since then it's all been developed, but still a great neighborhood, and some things haven't changed, like that green down there and access to the water. So we still have Fallon's Pond, but instead of eelgrass, now we get that brown kind of stuff. And word is there are stripers in there. Anyhow, let's do some weather. T-Rex, you stay over here. Let's go over here to this nice area right here. This would be Mom's front yard. Mom and Dad developed this, and this will be my 19th summer owning the original home, which is right on the other side on the right. But anyhow, a remarkable change. Today looks good. Temperatures near 80. Instability clouds are possible. And then tomorrow, what a change. I think I showed it on Monday, where both GFS and Euro had low pressure over the mid-Atlantic states, and now look at high pressure, a wholesale change in wind direction and the kind of weather we're going to end up with. By the way, look at the hydrangea. Yeah. That means instead of an onshore flow with temperatures in the 60s and muggy, it's going to be light sea breeze probably, but mostly an offshore flow with temperatures in the 90s this weekend. Look at the temperature now forecast for Boston. There's potential for a heat wave depending on how fast the front comes through here. And while I'm showing this, we can just fast forward after a nice weekend this weekend. Showers and thunderstorms come through on Monday, and there could be some hefty downpours. But then it looks like it wants to turn nice, and the rumors of perhaps a chilly July 4th weekend are certainly changing. Here's the Saturday map. Next Saturday, July 2nd, and high pressure over the mid-Atlantic states. The front that we thought maybe would dip south, a lot of the guidance had it with chilly air here. Now it looks more like temperatures maybe in the 90s going into July 4th weekend. So the weather changes, the weather forecast changes, and this week it certainly had us all with our heads spinning. Interesting, if you look at these oak trees, the red oak and the white oak are impacted differently by the moths, and I kind of forgot which is which, but you can clearly see that one in the middle not doing as well. But a nice day. It's a work day for me. A lot going on. Do you know that Bob Copeland is turning 90? Happy birthday, Bob. And I'm going to hopefully see Bob. And anyhow, I'm going to leave you with John and Stephanie Lowell. You know them from the East Ennis Oyster Farm. But they also have a super secret farm full of vegetables with incredible soil. And Johnny just showing me the magic late yesterday. We still have asparagus.
Yeah.
What else? Did I just see you with a tomato?
Yes, you did.
What tomato? How on earth have you already harvested a tomato like that?
It's just staying out ahead of it.
Where'd you get that tomato?
Right off that black prim, the second one. Now be careful where you're walking, but this garlic, see the brownness on the leaves?
Yeah, what's that?
It's telling me it's about ready to harvest.
Okay, so we got a garlic harvest ready?
I think it's ready.
You want to pull one up and just check it out? So you plant garlic in November?
During the full moon in October.
October. We've got garlic. Oh, that is a gorgeous.
Look at that, composty soil. No fertilizer ever used. That is a garlic and a half.
And where do you think this garlic is going to end up?
If it's the really nicest ones, it'll end up as next year's seed. But it'll end up, my wife will cook this into something. That's beautiful.
Do any restaurateurs get any of your garlic?
No, but I'm going to leave this right here. Let's look for new potatoes, because we still have some garlic scapes left. So you take the asparagus, new potatoes, garlic scapes, olive oil and salt, cook them on the grill. They're insane.
I don't see a garlic scape. I don't know what that means.
The scapes are here. But let's look for a potato. A new potato.
We're potato hunting, even though
That is a new potato. So it hasn't had a chance to convert the sugars into starch yet.
How long did it take to grow this?
Well, they grow themselves. They're just in the soil.
It's left over from last year?
Yeah, I don't plant anymore. So this will be an insane side dish tomorrow. I'm just going to take a few of them.
And
We'll
which garlic?
We're going to get garlic next.
All right, show me the soil again. Just very
That's a
light.
little nugget of deliciousness. It's a new potato, so it's sweet, not starchy.
How do you feel about worms? You get a lot of worms?
Tons of them.
Are you a worm farmer?
They farm themselves.
Oh, so I can't call myself a worm farmer because I've been doing that.
They like it here. All right, so let's go get the next thing and the last thing that we need to make the side dish.
What's that?
I'm going to show you.
Okay, so this is the last part of your meal?
These are the garlic scapes, and they're pretty much gone by, but these are the flowers from the garlic. And they'll be really garlicky and green, and you
So you're gonna chop
put
them.
these with the asparagus and the new potatoes.
Tim, don't touch them.
Jim, don't touch them.
So the curly part, what about these things over here, John?
And you got to remove this.
What about these things? What's that?
That's an onion.
These are onions?
Yep, those onions have been in the ground for 4 years.
So can you do anything with these? What's on top here?
That's the onion flower. I just let it go. I'm not a successful onion farmer. I'm terrible at it. I never get onions.
Making up for it with potatoes, blueberries, asparagus,
Look at other
the
stuff.
first tomato.
This is going to be delicious.
Nice night, looks like.
This is a perfect place for this.
Also down by the potato farm, we have that ocean system kind of trying to back into Cape Cod. Hopefully it's going to run into the roadblock and halt its progress, but boy, the weather and the weather forecast has been changing by the day, but mostly it's been just beautiful on Cape Cod all week. I hear you, baby crow. Where are you?